Okay, so I got it set up in my tub. It's filling up. I kind of just dummy rigged the setup here. I don't really have much parts. I didn't tighten all the way, so it's leaking a little bit at the bolts. But I'm just waiting for it to fill up and then go over the water line a bit, or go over the overflow tube a bit to fill up this bowl. But yeah, anyways, here we go. That's pretty well. I want to throw this rag in here. This should easily take it. I mean, the trap lid opening looks huge up here. On the bottom, it's really not that big. So I'm just going to see how this takes it. If it struggles or if it passes with no problem. Boy, that didn't even make it past the opening. I think I know why. So I didn't have it adjusted very well, and the outlet was kind of blocked a bit on the last one, so I adjusted it, and I'm going to try now. It's a little crooked, but it's the best I can do. If this fails a washcloth now, then this toilet just sucks. That was noticeably better. Gonna try a little bit of toilet paper, then I'm just gonna be done with this one. If this doesn't pass or if it struggles, then it's got some issues.